Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Esterika Sembiring from class R005 of the Agribusiness Study Program. In this video, I will present my progress in the process of memorizing the transcript of the second TID talk titled How a Student Thinks Her Study Habits by Setting Goals and Managing Tasks. The first thing I do is create first chunks and determine the intonation of paragraph I want to read and memorize. In the addition, I make a simple pronunciation code to help me with difficult words. To make a word easier, I use AI assistants and the result can be seen as follows. Here, I use AI assistants to create first chunks that help divide the sentence into main full parts, so they are easier to understand. In addition, I also use a simple pronunciation code to help me pronounce the full word more easily. Furthermore, I pay attention to intonation to understand where to stress certain word and where to pause while reading. This helps me sound more natural and improve the clarity of my speech. By combining first chunks, simple pronunciation, and intonation, I can improve my reading fluency, pronunciation accuracy, and overall understand of the text. After that, I try to read the original sentence first without looking the pronunciation card, while still paying attention to the first chunks to avoid reading too quickly. After finishing, I check the pronunciation code to correct any mistake in my pronunciation. Next, I reread the paragraph using the improved pronunciation. If I forget, I check the simple pronunciation code again to become more familiar with it. When I first told my friends that I was doing a talk on a study method that I use, I could see the collective look of disgust that silvered across their face as they progressed what I just told them. So bear with me as I firmly believe that the Pomodoro method has the power to change your life. My typical cycle of studying used to start or determine. I would come home, sit down at my desk, and do a couple of worksheets. The only problem was the productivity only lasted for an hour, as I would usually get distracted. I would usually spend a couple hours on my phone, and then I would snap back into determination, but find myself getting burned once again as the minutes got away. That's all for my practice progress this week. See you next week. Thank you and goodbye.